Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A bit to my supervisor, Madeline Zawati binti Yusuf, the examiners, the evaluators, and also the chairperson. Thank you for watching my video presentation of PSM1 of my PSM1. So this is my PSM1 system development Alpha T Preschool Smart System presentation. So this is the table of content of what I will tell today. So first we have problem background, aim and objectives, user requirements, flowchart of the current system, existing system flow and function, literature review, problem and solutions, user interface, tools and methodology, PSM1 outcome and achievements, and also PSM1 planning. First and foremost, I will start with the problem background of my project. So first, Alpha Preschool have limited staff since they only have 2 teachers, 1 head of teacher, 1 assistant, and also 1 admin. So for most of the management of this preschool, they use online manual data management. They need to manually store all of the record using Microsoft Excel, and all of the data is stored only on a single laptop. So this is make the process challenges, the process of the preschool management is inconvenient. And for the payment process challenges, it happened because all of the transactions that made by the parents will have a proof of payment, and the proof of payments only sent to the admin WhatsApp platform, message, and all the admin need to check one by one all of the proof of the transaction. So this make the all of the tracking of the payments is difficult. And also they have limited online presence. They only have their official Facebook account to promote and to post their activities from the preschool. For the proposed solution of from the we see the problem background just now, I need to develop a web-based system for Al-Fatih Preschool to streamline all of the operation and to improve the efficiency for the management of the preschool. So for the aim and objective, the aim of this project is to study and to solve the problems that happened over the past years since the grand opening of Al-Fatih Preschool. The objectives of the projects are to identify the requirements of the online preschool system, to design and develop an online preschool system based on user requirement, and to test the functionality of the online preschool system as per user requirement. So this is the acceptance survey form that I asked the stakeholder, Mr. Sohaila, to pass this acceptance survey form to the official WhatsApp group for Al-Fatih Preschool, and for her to send this to her staff. So this is some of the questions that I have created. I asked the roles, whether there is a teacher, staff, or parents, and how would they like to make a registration at Al-Fatih Preschool using WhatsApp, face-to-face registration, or website, and have they ever tried an online kindergarten system, and how they get any update from Al-Fatih Preschool, and how would they like to make a registration and get any info from the official website. And I also asked them, in their opinion, what features that are necessary for the online preschool system. They need to scale from 1 to 5, whether they strongly disagree or they are strongly agree. So this is the response from the respondents. Most of the respondents are from the parents. We can see 87.5% is from the parents, and how they would like to make a register at Al-Fatih Preschool. They want to do it via face-to-face registration, since most of them have not tried an online preschool system. So this is some of the functionalities that will be implemented. The online payment gateway, receipt for every payment. So now I will show to you the flowchart of the current system of our Fatih preschool. So we have admin, teachers, and parents. So for the start, admin usually will create the banner and promotion of the preschool and hangs it outside the preschool. Admin also will manually create the payslip for for every teacher each month, and admin also will manually manage the inventory of the preschool. She needs to check one by one of the checklist, the lesson materials, also the status of the playground. She needs to edit the videos and the caption of the student activities and post it on their official Facebook account. And posting videos and pictures of the activities only using the Facebook official account, or post it directly to the parents WhatsApp group. And for the teachers, they will getting notified of their monthly salary, and also they uh, and also for the parents, for the new parents, they will ask the information for the registration and the preschool environment from the admin, and admin will answer all the question. And if they're interested, they need to book a registration slot, since the slot of the admission every year is frequently booked by the existing parents, and so they need to grab the seat quickly. And the admin will check the availability for the slot and will tell the parents. If the parents are interested to admit their student, they need to pay for they need to book the slot for the registration and pay, or fill out the registration form and make the payments, whether they want to make a full payments or also pay monthly and annually. Okay, thank you. That is all for the flow chart. Continue. So now I will tell you about the literature review. So for the literature review part, this is one of the literature review uh, research that I have done, which I look upon Invictus International School website. So they have an online website for their preschool. So this is their dashboard. They have the about us option, the curriculum, the contact, the email, and also their locations. And they also have the ask us feature for the guests to ask directly for their preschool. But for the Al-Fatih preschool, we can see they only have their Facebook official account to promote their preschool. And this is the student school activities gallery for Invictus International School. They promote and showcase their student what they do at the preschool. And Al-Fatih preschool will post the videos and the activities of the student via their official Facebook account. So Invictus International School also provide the online form for the parents to fill out for the student information, their parent information, health records, and also the additional information. So what the problems we can see from the existing current system? So first, they're hard to manage the preschool inventory, playground, and learning materials. They're hard to store the students' data manually, because it only can be done using a single laptop and using Microsoft Excel, and hard to keep track of all of the transactions, and they did not have a proper platform to promote the preschool and make the registration. And also the stakeholder added they need an easy platform to post the student academic and performance, student academic performance, and also the student activities. So this is the proposed solution. We need to create an online web-based system for the preschool system that includes student information modules, media management modules, online payment modules, payment management modules, customer website modules, and also inventory management module. So for the methodology of this project, I will use rapid application development. Effective Preschool Smart System will be developed using the rapid application development approach. RID is a software development methodology that emphasizes iterative development and quick delivery of functional systems. It involves requirement gathering, prototyping, iterative development, continuous user feedback, and time-boxed iterations to ensure rapid development and deployment of the proposed system. So this is the tools that I will use: Laravel framework, Microsoft SQL as the database, Nicepage to design the user interface, and also Microsoft Visual Studio Code to develop the system. So this is the network and security element. For the network, we have client server and also payment gateway. For the security, we'll have the password hashing, user authentication, and verification. So this is PSM1 outcome. We have a use case diagram. So we have 4 users and they have respective roles. We have guests, parents, teachers, and admin. And the roles is view about us, view student gallery, register account, contact PIC, login, view student annual report, view fees, book admission slot, view notification, create student annual report, view pay slip, answer all questions from the parents, manage teacher pay slips, manage fees, manage student admission, manage dashboard, manage payment record and report, manage student data, and also manage preschool inventory. This is the sequence diagram for the booking admission slot, and this is the activity diagram for all for overall student registration. So this is the UMA class diagram. We have user, teacher, admin, parents, and student. We have notification, inventory, payment, booking, fees, report, and booking. So this is the project design. The admin, teachers, parents, and guests have their respective pictures that they can access, and they will use the client server networking, and also the password hashing, and the email notification will send the reminder to the server, and all of the data will save into the database. So this is the ERD of the proposed system, and this is the user interface for the main page of the preschool, the Al-Fatih Smart System, the proposed solution of the preschool, the registration page, the login page, student gallery, about us page, our team page to introduce their staff and teachers, the contact us page for the guests and parents to contact the PIC, the booking page for the parents to book the registration slot, and this the online registration form to fill out by the parents to register their credentials and also the student credentials, and the payment section for making the payment. So for the PSM2 planning, I need to adherence to plan phase that I have created using the Gantt chart. I need to do regular monitoring and measurement, alignment with user requirement. I need to do more and more testing with the user to get to tally the user requirement and my system, and utilization of the project design. I need to utilize my project design that I have designed in PSM1 and implement it in PSM2. Thank you for watching.